Hello, my little monkey wrenches. Monkey Wrench Mike back with another video. We are here at IAA in Tulsa, OK, looking at cars and trucks and ATVs and SUVs and all kinds of things. Just saw a Mercedes. Should I do it? It's pretty, it's new, and it's blue. So yes, we're going to begin this video with the Benz. We're going to experience this together. This is what I saw. This is what caught my attention. I haven't even walked around it yet. I haven't even touched it yet. And I want to see what it's like. Okay, let's see what this says. 2021 Mercedes A-Class. Lost type is water. 50,000 miles on the odometer. Tires look nice. They're Pirellis. And they match. Okay, let me put my little Coca-Cola right here. This is the A220 4MATIC from 2021. This is a good looking car. Holy moly. How high did the water get? It doesn't smell like it got too high. Whoa. Okay. Excuse me, it's a little dusty out here today. And I'm really liking white or light interiors with the black carpet. It's going to be hard to keep clean because that's going to show everything, and that's going to show all your trash that is attached to your feet as you get in. But this is nice. This is really, really nice. Huh. I don't know. What do you think about the A220s from 2021? I like the front, although it does kind of look like a Mazda to me with the headlights. All right, let's jump inside and see what she's got. On the inside, she is alive. That's a great sign. 12 volt. Don't forget your key. Foot on brake. Press start. Uh-oh. Huh. I am depressing the brake. Oh, we got names. Hold on. Okay, so I've already looked under the hood and I know why she's not doing anything, and I'll show you that in just a minute. But first, check out the dash, this long instrument cluster, which is really, really cool. Nice. I love these things. Those are really cool. They just look like they go fast. They look like little wheels. You got this fake, cheap leather that you get in everything these days. But it's nice. You get a gigantic moonroof. What is this? Dearest grandchild, now drive faster than your guardian angel can fly. Oh, never drive faster than your guardian angel can fly. So I bet you the kid that owned this, and I just saw his name right up here, got this from grandma and grandpa, and then they put that on their form. That's pretty. That's really nice. Yeah, but she's not going to do anything, and let me show you why. Okay. This is the issue we have. So maybe the water did get a little higher than we thought, and sometimes they'll mark it, the water level. But right here, we have a lot of things taken off. Someone's been messing around with the battery right here. This should not probably be loose like this, okay? This has all been taken off. These little vacuum hoses and everything have been taken off. This has been taken off. So someone has really tried to let this engine air out. I guess it goes kind of like that. But this is taken off. This pipe has been removed. I don't even know where that is. There is coolant in here. Something screws into here. But this is a mess. A beautiful car, but I think water got into the engine. I think that could be the problem. And if you try to start an engine with water in it, kablooey, not a good thing. So I don't know. I really don't know. Let me know what you think about this. Usually you take out the spark plugs, just crank it, turn off the fuel pump so it can't start, and those pistons are going to shoot the water right out of the cylinders, which is kind of fun to watch. But this was a good-looking car. Doggone it. Well, I can't say he was spoiled. Maybe he earned it. Maybe he got into med school and Grandma and Grandpa got a Mercedes to get to and from med school. That could happen. Absolutely. Anyway, 2021 Mercedes A220 4MATIC in a beautiful blue that is such a mystery. It kind of scares me. I don't know. Would you take this risk? The inside is so nice. You could part it out. Absolutely. It's a sign from God. Yeah, I don't know what he's trying to tell me, but I have seen so many little CRVs and RAV4s from this area today. There was one literally right over there that looked to be in pretty good condition. The battery was dead. So I didn't show you, but I have seen 4 of these things from this era. Back when they first came out, and they were just little tin boxes. They were reliable, but they were loud. The door didn't sound like it had much to it when you closed it, but they were fun. And this is a great example, okay? On the inside, it looks nice. It really does, okay? You could probably tilt your seat back a little bit. There you go. Give yourself a little more room. Oh, it's locked. Okay, well, that's great. You got your real-time 4-wheel drive. You got your spare on the back right there. Basic gold. You got nice tires. Wow. Okay, grabbers with a lot of tread. This thing will go anywhere. If it's still alive. That's another grabber. Not as much tread. The damage, you can pop that out. You need a bumper and a fender and a headlight. This one doesn't have very much tread at all for some reason as well. So I guess they put the new tires on the back, or they bought 4 tires and just left them on the front for years and years and years. Windshield is okay. Lost type, of course. Collision. This is an insurance vehicle. And see how it does kind of push on the fender. Not a big deal. When you put the new fender on, that'll go away, that sound. Is she alive? 193,000 miles. Let's see what she's got left in her. Come on, baby girl. Oh, yeah. There you go. Not the smoothest, but that's okay. Oh, that door didn't close very well. Yeah, you need to readjust your door. Hope there's no frame damage under there. And look where your windows are. Ah! Your door's too thin to put your switches over there. Oh, they have been up a long time. Are you gonna work? Yes, perfect. Okay. It's a nice little driving position. Let's go ahead and fix this so it looks better. Here we go. Much better. Now, if anybody wants to take a picture in there, look at your cup holders. This thing kind of floats right here. And there's nothing here. What about AC? You think we got it? Yeah, I felt it. I felt it. No check engine light, just the seatbelt light, which is nice. Brakes, good. Reverse, yep. Drive, yep. Oh, wow. Okay, my sister had a the Toyota version, the RAV4, back when it was like this, and she loved it. It was a fun little vehicle. Loud as heck on the highway. Let's take a look at the engine and see what she looks like and see how she was maintained. Here we go. Ow! There's not really even a switch. Oh, I guess that's the switch. I just missed it. There's your switch. I had to grab the pointy thing. Honda Motor Company. Little bitty Continental battery. You can hear it cycling. Air conditioning moving on and off. Your belt looks okay over there. This is weird. For my Volvo, the belts are over here. The belt's over there. And the transmission is right here. How strange is that? But it sounds good. Solid as a rock. 190 something thousand miles. 24 years old. And she sounds good. Give her a paint job when you get any new parts for her. This is nice. Okay, well, what do you think about this? Is it worth it? If you get the new parts and put it on, let's say it cost you $500 in parts, what's the car worth afterwards? Probably has a salvage title, so it would come back as rebuilt. So you'd spend, let's say this goes for $1,000 plus 500 for parts, you'd be in it for 1,500, and you'd have a car that's worth what? 1,200? No, I don't know. I've never owned one of these. I'm sure they have a good following. And finally, 2017 Nissan Pathfinder. Is it 2017? No, 2015 Nissan Pathfinder right there, okay? So they redesigned this in 2013, and they went from a truck chassis to a car chassis, and there's a little give and take when you do that. It lost some of its off-roading capabilities, and the handling was kind of mushy. According to some of the Consumer Reports and other magazines, gas mileage was kind of so-so. You get that 3.5 liter V6 they used for years and years and years and years. They redesigned it in 2017 and again in 2022. Made it a little better, but damage on this particular one right here, all right here. Okay, so the bumper will cover a whole bunch of this. You could probably just get a whole nother tailgate. Okay, probably in the same color, because they made 1,000 of these, a bajillion of these in this gray. Other body damage, some scrapes right here. All the tires, well, almost all the tires are flat. Falcon on the back right here, lots of little nicks and everything. What's this guy right here? Goodyear on the front, so we got mismatched tires. And someone like their Yankees. Okay, and somehow this is damaged and this is not. So someone went karate chop right here. That'd pop out. Okay, at worst you could take off the fender and pop it out. At best, open the hood, reach under here, push it with your fingers, it might pop out. There is some damage on the front bumper. Nothing major, just get some spray paint and cover that up. You see, another flat tire here and another flat tire right there. I don't know what you think about these. They don't have the best reputation. Third row seating, not a whole lot of room back there for the way back. This is okay. You get some good seating right here. This looks like a really comfortable seat. What is this? This is your back bumper. So they were kind enough to wrap it up for you and put it inside. Let's take a look at the driver's seat. A lot of people have been in and out of this car. A lot of folks looking at it. 179,000 miles right there. We do have power, so let's give her a start. Okay, the seat is moving closer. Somebody very short drove this. So let's go back here. It says tire pressure, parking sensor error. Of course, you have no bumper, so all of those are going to be gone. Four-wheel drive error. See owner's manual. ABS light, traction control. Okay, so it's tire pressure, parking sensor, four-wheel drive. You due for an oil change as well. That's okay. Oil filter, get another oil filter. Okay, remainder, push info, select maintenance to perform this setting. I don't want to do that. They're listening to country.
And with eBay guarantee.
Yep, listening to country. This is nice looking right here. It's a comfortable seat. It's just, ugh. It's that vinyl-y, the vinyl feel, the cheap vinyl. We have reverse. This is that CVT transmission too, isn't it? Yeah, I think so. As far as reputation, if you look at Consumer Reports, almost every category is red. Engine major, engine minor, interior, build quality, all these things except for in-car electrics. They were okay. Everything else got a red button. Oh, and this is kind of broken. I guess you could shove it back in there. Can you see what I'm doing? And then go like that. Okay, I fixed it. I'm fixing stuff left and right. I had a Nissan Pathfinder back in the day when it had that great 3.5 liter V6. It was the older one. I just had two-wheel drive. It got me anywhere I wanted to go. And it had it was the Maxima engine. What year was it? 2001 or 2002. And I love that thing. It was way smaller though. They were very, very little, and I'm sitting much higher here in the seat. The floorboard was like that in that car. It wasn't the greatest driving position, but it was a good little SUV for me. I like it. You have four-wheel drive here if you choose. Heated and cooled seats. Everything is nice. Everything's gonna work in here, I hope. Yeah, here we go. There we go. Okay, let's take a look under the hood and see what we got. We've got, let's see if the rear hatch opens, and we will open the hood. Ow. Okay. No, this isn't gonna open because of the damage. Yeah. Yeah, this is, see, it can't, oh, here we go. She's gonna open. Okay. Well, oh, she's closing herself. She didn't like it. She wanted to stay closed. I didn't touch anything. So the damage isn't that bad. Get yourself a tailgate. This will all get covered up with a bumper, and you'll be good to go. Oh, you need a light over here. You need a tail light right there. Engine sounds good. Well, maybe. We got a bit of a whine. Maybe an idler pulley or something. This is dirty. This is really, really dirty. It's an honest engine, as you would say. Yeah. Everstart 1123, so your battery is only, 3 months old. That's okay. It's got a whine to it. She's a little whiny. She is a little whiny. But there it is. Okay, is it worth it? 2015 Nissan. It's a big car. Way bigger than before, but I don't know. It's kind of risky with all the red, all the errors, and all of the problems that they've had, engine and everything. I mean, the whole column was red, ... because of all the issues reported by owners. Well, what do you think about this? Or do you like one of the other two cars that we previewed? That little CR-V was cool. I mean, it would be a great little car for a kid. I haven't seen one of those in a pull-apart yard lately. I'm sure they're there. I know they're there, but then you'd have to get it painted. And is the paint going to match what's on there? And then you got to paint the hood anyway. So then you got to paint the whole car. So cha-ching, 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 cha-ching. It just keeps getting more expensive. And that Mercedes was super risky and risque. Yeah, I don't know about that one either. So maybe we'll just keep looking. Let me know what you would do in this situation. Would you keep looking, or would you get one of these and try to flip it? Flip it real good. Okay. Have a great day, everybody. We're back with another video very, very soon. Hug those kids if you got them. And if they show any interest in wanting to work on a car, take them up on it. Show them how to change the tires. Show them how to change the oil. Start with the little things, and they will fall in love with it, and you're going to create all kinds of memories. I guarantee you. I did that with my daughters, and I remember us working on the cars together. And then unfortunately, I remember times when I didn't want them to work on the cars with me, and they really wanted to, and I feel guilty about that now. So if you have kids, work with them. Absolutely spend time with them, because like I said not too long ago, you only get 18 summers with them, when they're not in school. That's not a lot. Okay? Have a good day, everybody. We'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.